Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Dear students, I hope you have finished all of your assigned tasks in your booklet. In our previous lectures, I taught you about the perimeter of rectangle and square. Now from today, we are going to start the discussion about area. So, in this lecture, I will give you an introduction for area, that what actually area is. So, open your booklet, page number 68. Let's start. According to definition, area is the amount of the space taken up by the shape or surface. What is area? Area is amount of space, total space taken up or covered by a shape or any other surface. Or you can also say that the amount of the space inside the shape is called area. The amount of space inside the shape. As in perimeter, we also include the boundary of the any closed figure or any other surface, but in area we will not include the outer side of the given shape. We will not include the boundary. We will just calculate the inner portion, inner side of the any closed shape or surface. Okay, the space covered by the shape, inside portion, not the outer boundary. Okay, now you can see this rectangular shape, and here is a small, very light shade is given to show the area. So the inner portion, this inner portion, the shaded portion is actually the area of this rectangular figure, not the boundary of the figure. Clear? So the space covered by this rectangular figure is called area. And you can also look at this picture. This dark shade inside portion of this square box is actually the area, the amount of the space inside the shape. This arrow shows the inside portion of this shape. So the inner part, inner space covered by the any figure or any other surface is called area. Clear? Now I will show you the area with the help of one object. Look here. This one is a circular shape, circular object. What is the area of this circular object? What is area? The space inside the shape or inside the surface is called area. So what is the inside portion? This inside portion, not the outer side, not the boundary. Boundary is not included in area, just the inner portion, inner space. This space is covered by this circular part. You can see, when I will put this circular figure, circular object over here, it will cover a portion. Look here. This inner portion, the inner space covered by this circular object is called area, because when I will put it again over here, it will cover only this space, not any other space. So this inner portion is called area. This inner portion is called area, not the boundary of the this figure, because when I will put it again, you can see it will only cover this portion. So the inside portion covered by this circular object is called area of this object. We are not including the boundary of the circular object. Got it? I hope area is now clear to you. Now come back to your booklet. Example is given. Again a rectangular figure is given, and you can see the shaded portion inside this rectangular figure. This all shaded portion is actually the area. This shaded portion is actually the area. This all shaded portion is actually the area. So what is the area of this rectangular box? As you can see, there are small boxes inside the rectangle. These small boxes are just given to calculate the area. Now let's count how many unit boxes, square boxes are over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in the length there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 5s are 45. You can also calculate like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this. But the short method is just count the boxes in the length and count the boxes in the width and multiply the both sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 5s are 45. It means the area of this given figure is equal to 45 square units. These are the unit boxes, square unit boxes. So the unit of this figure is square unit. As I told you, the unit of the perimeter is meter, centimeter, feet or inch, but the unit of the area are centimeter square, meter square, feet square, inch square. We will use the word square over here with the unit of the area. Okay, so this whole shaded portion inside the rectangular box is the area of this rectangular figure. We will not include the boundary in the area. Now come to this one, small unit. This one is the single box, one unit box. So 1 into 1. 1 ones are 1 because there is only one box. So 1 centimeter length. So 1 centimeter breadth. So 1 ones are 1. So area of this small box is 1. Unit is centimeter, and as I told you, we will use the square. This 2 at the top of this unit is actually known as square. This is called square. So we will read it 1 centimeter square. Okay. Now come to this figure 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 boxes covered the space inside this bigger one square figure. So the length of the one box is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 length and breadth. So each side is equal to 1 centimeter. So total boxes are 1, 2, 3, 4. So area is 4 centimeter square. Clear? Because 4 boxes covers the total inside space of this bigger square box. Come to this one. Square box is given and the length of each side of this smaller box is 1 centimeter. So total box is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total boxes are 9. So 9 boxes covers the total inside portion of this bigger one square. So the area is 9 centimeter square. Come to this one figure. One box is equal to 1 centimeter. The side of the one smaller unit box is equal to 1 centimeter. So how many total boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So the area, the inside space covered by this bigger one square is equal to 16 centimeter square. We measure the area in square units, not by the simple meter, centimeter and feet. We will use square units: centimeter square, meter square, feet square or inch square. This 2 at the top of the unit is actually called square. Clear? Okay students, I hope you got the concept of area. Revise the concept, memorize the definition for area. You can also calculate the area of different closed figures by yourself by use of the small unit squares inside the figure, and you can calculate the area. And you can also use the booklet page number 68. These figures again to find the area, to check the area of the given closed figure. Okay, Now at the end I will show you one small box over here. Look here. Again this one is the wooden box, and this wooden box, what is the area of this wooden box? Firstly you will check the space covered by this wooden box. The space covered by this wooden box is like this one. This one is the space covered by this wooden box, because when I will put this box again over here, it will not move air to any other side of this box. It will cover the same space. So the space, amount of space covered by this box, this amount of space covered by this box is called area. So this whole inside portion is called area. This whole inside space of this box is called area. Clear? So you can practice different type of the objects to check the area. You can use the these type of the figures to calculate the area. For any problem, watch the video again and again. Thank you.